Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your transmission jerks, hesitates or even refuses to shift properly. You pull out an OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0998. Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your transmission jerks, hesitates or even refuses to shift properly. You pull out an OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0998. This error indicates a problem with the Shift Solenoid I control circuit high, which can lead to rough shifting, transmission slipping, or even limp mode. In this video we'll explain what P0998 means, where the key sensors are located and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0998? DTC P0998 stands for Shift Solenoid I Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, operates a series of shift solenoids inside the transmission. These solenoids control the flow of transmission fluid, which helps engage different gears. If the electrical signal going to shift solenoid I is too high, it can disrupt smooth shifting and cause the transmission to malfunction. If the electrical signal going to shift solenoid I is too high, it can disrupt smooth shifting and cause the transmission to malfunction. Symptoms of P0998. If your car has this code, you may notice harsh or delayed shifting transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, jerking or hesitation when accelerating, check engine light or transmission, warning light, increased fuel consumption sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0998, check these key components: shift solenoid I location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure to shift gears smoothly. Transmission control module, TCM, location, usually mounted on the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Function, sends electrical signals to engage shift solenoids at the right time. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, found on the side of the transmission, near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper gear shifting. Shift solenoid wiring and connectors. What causes P0998? Possible reasons include: 1 faulty shift solenoid I. Overheating or wear can cause failure. 1 faulty shift solenoid I. Overheating or wear can cause failure. 2 damaged wiring or connectors. Corrosion or short circuits in the solenoid circuit. 3 faulty transmission control module TCM, sending excessive voltage to the solenoid. 4 dirty or low transmission fluid, causing improper hydraulic function. 5 bad transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect pressure readings. How to fix P0998. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Make sure the fluid is clean at the correct level and not burnt. Dirty fluid can cause solenoid malfunctions. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires leading to the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test shift solenoid I. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If readings are out of range, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Scan for other transmission-related codes that might indicate a failing TCM. If necessary, reprogram or replace the TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code. Drive for 10–15 miles to check if the issue is resolved. Final words. If you're seeing P0998, your shift solenoid I control circuit has high voltage, which can cause serious shifting issues. Fixing it early can prevent costly transmission damage.